Hi everyone, it's Kino here. This is 5 minutes of flexibility that you can do every day, and if you're consistent with it, you'll see results relatively quickly. If you like this video, be sure to like it, leave me a comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can do this video and practice with me every day. Let's get started in a comfortable seated position. All right, so here we go. First, we begin to work the neck because so much tension gets held in the neck. Head to one side, drop it down, and just do a nice, easy forward and back. We don't need to hold it too long. Just get the feeling. Nice. Let's do 2 more breaths. 1 more breath. Good. And back to the center. And then we switch. Working the neck a little, not too much stress. If you want to do a little extra, you can. Letting the tension release. And back to the center. Hamstrings are the gateway to everything magical in the pelvis. So that's where we begin. Come to a squat. Drop your head down, interlace or thread the arms over each other, and then straight legs. I was not naturally flexible. When I started yoga, I did this every day, every morning. Just this hanging forward bend for maybe 5 to 10 breaths. It took about 3 months, but I saw a big improvement in my forward bend. So I know if you do this every day, it's going to make a big difference, all right? So this is for the forward bend. We'll stay for about 10 breaths. If you want to do a little extra, we can add in the shoulders. It's not necessary for the forward bend. It's just a little extra. Good, let's say 1 more breath. Then let the shoulders go. Hands drop down to the ground. Release, release, release. Good. Walk the hands forward and step the left leg back. Right foot forward. Come into a lunge. Lunge is so important to release the front of the hip. All right? So let's gently come up and draw the navel in, and we'll hold our lunge. 1. Now, lifting the center of the chest, we can do a little extra. Interlace the fingers and send the chest forward. 2, it's kind of the opposite of the forward bend, so we're almost begin to work the whole body just with these 3 basic movements. Good. 4, let's do 1 more. And remember, we don't need to force it. 5, come on back. We're going to use downward dog to switch. So we just do a very light switch. Exhale, put it down. Good. Coming up into the lunge, take it easy. So the idea is to return to this, not to do your maximum. And we just stay. We can stay only in the lunge. We can hold on to the knee. Any pressure in the right knee, put a little pillow or towel underneath. We can do a little extra, and we'll hold. A few more breaths. Nice. Keep lifting the center of the chest. Easy does it. Good. 2 more breaths. Last breath. Good. Inhale back. Take the hands forward. This time, sink the knees down. Let's grab 2 blocks. You can also do this on a chair or against the wall. We're going to now release the shoulders. Hands come up onto the blocks. Give me the external rotation. We draw the navel in, and then exhale. Sink the armpits down. And you want to keep your head up unless there's strain in the neck, and then we can put the head down, all right? And we hold. 1. Good, release the tension. 2. 3, the neck, the head, the shoulders. 4. And 5. Nice. Let's bring it up. Shift those over to the side. We're almost done. Now I want you to cross your feet, gently sit down, and then the last movement we'll do, extend the legs. Open the legs, stay here. Right hand over to the side. Inhale, reach. Get a nice side bend. Hold. 1. 2. Easy does it. 3. Went a little extra. 4. And 5. All the way up. Prepare to switch the sides. And remember, we're doing this every day, so you don't need to hit it too hard. Easy does it. So stay 2 more breaths. Reach. We can do a little extra. Or we can stay however it feels comfortable. Inhale, let's come all the way up, and exhale. Cross your feet. Give everything a nice little shake, and notice how you feel. We should feel increased flexibility right from now. So do this 5-minute stretching routine and see how you feel after a month of practice. And if it works for you, keep going, keep going, keep going. We don't often need to do too much to get results. In fact, sometimes doing too much makes the body shut down. So I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute of flexibility so that you can start to see results relatively quickly with consistent practice. Keep practicing, and I hope to see you again real soon.